Hello, welcome to Pabnasoft International Research Center. I am scientist engineer Mohammad Abul Fazal, founder and CEO of Pabnasoft. Last class, I have discussed about sum, average, and percentage. Now I will discuss about arithmetic operation today. Please see first to last video and give like and subscribe for getting new video. So I will discuss about arithmetic operation, how to calculate arithmetic operation. Arithmetic operation, one variable a equal to 10, b equal to 20, c equal to 50. Now I will show that c equal to a plus b, c equal to a plus b. Okay, now so print c is a plus b, a plus b equal to a plus c. Okay, c. So now we can run the project arithmetic operation. So I will see that c equal to a plus b and result. Okay, c is a plus b equal to 30. Okay, a plus b equal to 30. A plus b equal to 30. Now multiply. We can multiply a into b. A multiply b. Okay, a multiply b, c equal to, now we see a into a multiply b. Okay, a multiply b equal to 200. 10 into 20 equal to 200. Okay, that is multiply a multiply b equal to 200. Okay, now we will find out a division by b. Calculate division. So a divided b. Okay, a divided b, c equal to, we'll show the division. So run the project. C, a divided by b equal to 0.5. Okay, then we will find out the subtraction. C equal to b minus a. C equal to b minus a. C equal to, c is b minus a equal to this. Save all and run the project. C b minus a equal to 10. Okay, now we will calculate remainder. Find out remainder. Okay, a modulus by b and এত, সি ইকুয়াল টু এত, ঠিক আছে, ওকে, রান, সি ইজ এ b 10, okay. So I have shown arithmetic operation plus multiply, division, divide, subtraction, and modulus, remainder, that is called remainder. Now I will show a software calculation, how to calculate invoice, how to calculate inventory, how to calculate stock management, how to make a software by Python, how to make calculate software, okay. That is the normal software is called inventory management system. The product price is 500 taka and quantity 3, subtotal equal to product price into quantitative, product price quantitative, okay. Subtotal, that is subtotal, okay. subtotal বের হয়ে যায়, subtotal, that is called subtotal, okay. Now we can run the subtotal 500, subtotal 1500. 500 taka is one product, so 3 product price 1500 taka. So now I will calculate tax, so print tax, find out tax is equal to tax is 225 taka. Tax is 15%, so 15% tax is 225 taka. Tax 15%, so 15% means 15 divided by 100, 15 divided by 100, and tax is equal to subtotal multiply 15 divide 100, okay. So tax is equal to tax. This is find out the tax is 225 taka, okay. Now we will calculate total price. Total price equal to subtotal plus tax. Subtotal price, subtotal plus tax, and that is called the total, okay. Now we will find out the total price of this product, okay. Run the total 1725 taka. Total price 1500 and tax is 225 taka, and total 1725 taka is total. So it is very important software, so everyone learn from this video how to calculate inventory management, how to calculate tax, how to calculate addition, how to calculate multiply, how to calculate division, and how to calculate subtraction, and how to calculate remainder. So as all operation is very important for Python programmers, Python developer, Python software developer, and Python shopping website developer. Everybody, thank you very much for showing my video, and please give like and subscribe me for getting free new videos.